Alright, what's up everybody? Jesse here with Southern Reels Fishing, and I'm out in the Chesapeake Bay doing some fishing for sheepshead today. And I get a lot of questions about how effective the Garmin Livescope is for sheepshead fishing, and I just wanted to show you guys real quick in a short video what it's like. So I basically have it set up here to where I can rotate it. Y'all have seen this before. Got it on the screen, and I've just been scanning my way right down the bridge pilings here. Today is a very busy day as far as sheepshead. Literally every other piling has them on it. I just want to show you as I approach this piling here, I kind of can just sweep it, and you can literally see at 20 feet, 15 to 20 feet, there's a cluster of sheepshead there, big ones. That's some big fish, which is, I mean, you can spot it plain as day. And as I pedal farther back, that was that first piling right there. Now as I go back farther to this back piling, I'm going to sweep past this one and sweep to that one. So that's the first one we were looking at, and that's the middle one. You see there's not much on that one, but then look at that back one. There's fish all over it. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me get closer. All right, now I'm much closer. I'm going to sweep it back to that same piling. And you see all those fish hanging out on it? That's a lot of sheepshead. I mean, you cannot mistake that. All right, now just to show you real quick, I've got, you know, a jig here with a crab on it. And looking at it, they start at about 10 feet and go all the way down to about 22 feet. So I'm going to let out 5 feet of line, approach the calm side, which is the back side of the piling that the current's coming from. Go ahead and drop down 5 feet. So drop another 5 feet, nice and easy. As you see now, they've kind of moved down a little bit from the presence of the kayak, which would be even more if it was a boat. So now we'll go ahead right on down to about 15 feet, which is where the cluster starts at now. You want to keep it right up against the back of that piling. Literally, if the water grabs it and takes it away from it, you might as well reel it up and start over, because you're not going to catch them like that. Alright, so looks like we're pretty straight down. We should be into that cluster of fish. And yep, there we go. See? That's pretty effective if you ask me. I knew exactly what piling they were on, exactly what depth he was at. Oh God, he's a pretty good one too. Nice run there, good Lord. Livescope is like cheating with these sheepshead, especially these bigger ones. Now it works for all of them. It pretty much, even the smaller sheepshead, it still spots them. Look at the size of that guy. That's a nice one. Alrighty, let me get them up. If you ask me, folks, that's pretty effective. That was on a 1/2 ounce jig from Get Wet Lures. So the Livescope put me right on the fish. Well, this ain't a typical sheepshead. This is a beast. 24 3/4. All right, y'all. So yes, Livescope is very effective at catching sheepshead. Any questions, hit me up in the comments. Thank you.